How to send money using Zelle in Fifth Third Bank. First of all, log into your Fifth Third Bank online account at 53.com. Once logged in, navigate to the Send Money with Zelle section. Here you will see three options: Send, Request and Split. Next, choose the Send option to send money. After that, add a new recipient. Under the recipient information, enter the first name, last name and the recipient's email address or mobile number linked to your Zelle account. Then, tap on Next. Enter the amount you want to send. Review all the details carefully to make sure everything is correct. Finally, click on Send to submit your payment. The money will typically be sent instantly or within minutes to the recipient's bank account. And that's it. Now you know how to send money using Zelle with Fifth Third Bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.